Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela, and if you are here for the first time, welcome. And if you enjoy watching art videos or you are constantly looking for ideas for what to paint or draw next, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Or as YouTubers usually say, hit the bell button. In this video I will show you how I fix a problem that I'm sure many of you encountered at some point or will encounter at some point when painting with watercolors, and that is how to straighten bent or wavy watercolor paper. This is a painting I did a while ago for this channel, and I hope I will find the time to edit and upload it soon. So if you are looking forward to see how I painted it, it is just another good reason for you to subscribe. I have to mention from the beginning that the paper I use is 100% cotton paper, and I would not recommend this method for other types of paper. For example, cellulose paper is made of short wood fibers, and it doesn't have the ability to absorb a lot of water. And this may cause it to overload with water and rip. Cotton paper is made out of long cotton fibers, which allows it to take in a lot of water. This means that it allows us to apply many layers of paint and brush strokes without damaging the paper. But as any paper does, those paint layers dry differently, shrinking the fibers uneven and causing the paper to gain an unwanted wavy look. What I do after the painting is dry is turn the paper upside down and wet the back of the painting, making sure that the water doesn't leak underneath to activate the paint and possibly damage my painting. This allows the fibers to stretch so that the paper will come to its initial shape. Keep adding more water as it gets absorbed into the fibers, and you will eventually see that your paper is looking so much better. Once the paper has recovered its shape, there are two ways you can dry it so it doesn't wave again. One is putting it on a glass table. The wet paper will adhere to the glass surface and it will dry slowly and even, keeping its shape. In fact, if you have a glass top table to paint on, you can wet the back of the paper from the beginning and the paper will dry evenly as you paint on it. The second way is to put it under two sheets of paper and let it dry overnight with a weight on top of it. The paper that acts as a sandwich will absorb the excess humidity, and the weight on top of it will force it to dry flat. But what about accidentally bent corners or rolled up paper? Can it be stretched? And the answer is yes. It may take longer time for folds, or it is possible that you cannot fully repair those if the fiber is damaged. But it is definitely worth trying. And that is what I am trying to simulate next.